So, a friend of mine on Instagram gave me a code to try HelloFresh. I'm super excited.
Let's eat this.
One of the meals. So we've got this
What's
one.
the green stuff?
The melty Monterey.
Zucchini. You're gonna be the only one eating the zucchini. Yep, that's what that is.
Chicken cheddar, yeah. Fajitas.
And this. That's for people that eat that. Now, if you don't eat that, you ain't got to block me out when I do my little 2 cents in there.
You say what you want to say. Okay, so it was packaged in like this insulated box because it actually went to the neighbors that's selling their house. Well, ain't nobody doesn't even live there. So this is the chicken cheddar fajitas. So everything you need would be inside here. For that, then the bag for the Monterey, melty Monterey Jack burger, and then the pork tenderloin is a bigger bag. So I like that it's individually packaged. I thought everything was in there, but it was more stuff at the bottom. Don't forget about the ingredients. You may be hiding underneath the ice. So this is where all of the meat is at. So that is pretty neat. In our package, because it was like, a free trial, it was only a 2-person. So this is just like a little pork tenderloin, ground beef, and chicken breast, which is fine for me in Easter and even for Michael to just try. But that's neat that they have everything separated from your meat, and it was underneath this container in this big blocks of ice. So that's pretty neat. Y'all don't know how excited I am to try this. I think the portion sizes, even though that says it's like for a 2-person, for our family, I'm kind of wondering like how big is the 4-person, because we would probably have to get a 6-person just to say that we had enough food. Because to be honest,
about me, y'all.
No, look at the meat. Open it, it's inside. The meat was at the bottom.
The meat was at the bottom?
They were little bitty packs, so I don't see. I mean, I think that's
for one hamburger?
That's for he's like, that's for one hamburger? So, I mean, you get a feel for whatever it is, just to see if you want it, I guess, to order. But for us...
Is that the actual portions they were saying also?
That's just for the 2-person.
Is that right there?
Yeah.
Okay.
So, I think it's a good thing, because you
want to be controlled with something.
Yeah, you like, hey, nothing else to eat.
You like me. Yeah.
But if for him, not so much. Yeah. That's for track would be good. The ice packs are huge. And that box is insulated.
Oh, yeah. Michelle said they had to use one the other day.
I know. Somebody got stung in the eye.
Well, she said they didn't work. Okay.
I don't see that.
Okay, here it is. Ingredients. 2-person, 4-person. Okay, we have a 2-person.
Mm-hmm.
And it's actually saying the ground beef is 10 ounce. Ground beef is fully cooked when internal temperature. So basically, those are 2 5-ounce burgers. That's what it should turn out to be.
Mm.
And then it also sends everything to make the garlic mayo.
Everything is in the box for this entire meal.
Make it a zing. If you have a lemon on hand, add a squeeze of juice to your garlic mayo. Or,
I do got
let me do this so everybody can see me. Man, when you get old, your hamps in this kind of go in a different way. I'll figure it out later, but I think it's interesting for, what is it called? HelloFresh. When I used to see it on the commercials, I used to always ask myself, I was intrigued by, okay, they ship it to you, you prepare it yourself. Not only the taste, but the quantity. Well, we looked at the quantity, and I think it's feasible for those that eat moderately.
Eat normally.
Okay, I wouldn't say normally.
Because he's not normal. Like, he would literally want half a cow and still be hungry.
No.
This is a man that gets a ribeye and it covers the entire cast iron skillet. And he eats 2 of those.
Well, and then when I start flogging, I'll do my own version.
You can say whatever you want because you're going to help me cook this.
Y'all seen the kitchen? Has she showed y'all the kitchen?
No. The magic of holding the camera a certain way, but I do have to clean first, though. No, sweetie, it's not an Instapot meal.
I thought you said anything.
We're not putting it in the Instapot. But HelloFresh, if you got some Instapot meals, hey, we would love to try it.
When you're with me, baby, don't you see I'm shining? 'Cause when you're with me, baby, don't you see I'm shining? 'Cause when you're with me, baby, don't you see I'm shining?
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I'm about to do my second HelloFresh meal. I'm trying to figure out how to record this since my stand is broken and I need to order a new one. But here is the description. It's the chicken cheddar fajitas with bell peppers, lime crema, and pickled jalapenos. So I'm gonna try to prop the camera like in the cabinet so you can see what I'm cutting. But pretty much I'm gonna show you the bag. So the bag comes just like this. Everything that you need for this meal is inside except for your salt, pepper, and like olive oil. But yeah, inside this is everything. So let me take it out so you guys can see. Alright, so we have a bell pepper, which I have to wash these. We've got tortillas, I think it's 6 of them in here, or maybe more. We've got a jalapeno. We've got cheddar cheese. You have a lime. You've got a red onion. You've got some warm and smoky Southwest blend spices, and it tells you what's in the spices too. You've got some sour cream and the chicken, and here is the boneless, skinless chicken breast that I'm gonna just put in the sink for the moment. So I am having a really bad pain. It's raining outside. My back and my shoulder hurt, so hence the scarf. It's just a difficult day, but having this meal already prepared, like prepped, like I don't have to go to the grocery store to say I need to get all of these chicken breasts, all of this extra stuff. It is conveniently pre-packaged, so you're not like wasting, because you know, like a lot of recipes you try to do it and you have to buy stuff that's like a larger quantity just for that one recipe. So now you're not like wasting stuff that gets thrown away. But the first step, I just preheated the oven, so I'm not to wash off my produce, and then I'm gonna start slicing my onion and my bell peppers and the jalapenos, and I gotta get my zester. We used the zester the other day when we did the burgers, so let me grab that and I'll come back.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was
take it all back, hate the things that you said, 'cause I wish you didn't mean it. Under attack, running far, far away, and I'd rather keep my distance from you. You don't gotta lie to me to get through. Push and pull me off into the deep, and let's pretend that nothing ever happened on that night. I shouldn't have spoke, 'cause you didn't feel the same way about me.